What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Mountain Creek vlog. Today we are up here with the Dan. Yeah, it is January 8th of 2021 and we're back for another day of sick snowboarding. It's another great day. Clouds are coming in right now, but it was blue before. Hope it gets blue again. They've been blowing snow all night. Let's see how things are running. It'll be fun. Before we jump into the video though, I am trying to hit 1,000 subscribers for the end of this winter. So if you are enjoying the content, I am uploading daily. Really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button for me. And let's jump into this video, all right? You ready? All right. All right, guys, quick little conditions update after our first completed run down South Peak. A little slow because they're blowing more snow. Can't complain about that though, because that means there's more snow. However, a bit slower, but it's a lot of fun, right? A lot of fun. A lot of fun. Yeah, go snowboarding. It'd be great for this weekend. All right, let's go back to some snowboarding. That's a queen. I like bounced off the ground. Thanks, Dan. Right behind you. Woo. Shout out to Dan for filming me this run. This guy is getting absolutely insane. Yeah. He did mental state declining. He did such a good job filming, and he's insane. So, thanks, Dan. Yeah. So far, it's been a super fun day. It's getting a little bit more crowded, but the line has been tops 5 minutes. Pretty much less every single time than 5 minutes. Like closer to 2 minutes probably, right? Yeah. So that's lovely. Conditions, pretty fun. A lot of blown snow. Few sections where there's a bit of ice, where blown snow has been pushed off, but like nothing terrible. And everything's just fun. Yeah, it's fun. Awesome. So, also, features are great. Yeah. Your features are great. Anyway, I needed to ask you guys a favor. I feel like I'm uploading the same stuff every day. If you have any video ideas for me, make sure to leave them in the comments. I might do them. We'll see. I just want to see what you guys have in store and if I could do anything to diversify my content. Anyway, let's go back to some snowboarding and have a bit more fun. We're killing it out here. It's a sick day. Mountain Creek Parks, park rats, sun's behind the clouds, but there's blue sky back there. It's kind of pissing me off. Let's go. that sucks.
Can't learn without slamming.
It's true. We both fell a few times today. Dan a little worse than me, but we had a sick day.
Yeah, it was fun.
So fun. Another great day at Mountain Creek. They've been blowing. They're building the park up. You see jumping jack getting built. You're hyped for that. I'm hyped for that. He's hyped for that.
Pretty hyped for that.
We're hyped for that. All right, well, that's everything. Today was a fun day. Snowboarding's fun. Go snowboarding. If you want to go snowboarding, go skiing. If you want to go skiing, just get out there. Go to Mountain Creek. Go to wherever you need to go.
Text your loved ones.
Text your loved ones. And that's it. That's today's video. I'll be uploading again tomorrow because I'm putting out daily videos. So if you enjoyed today, make sure to leave a like, comment something interesting, and subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching.
Peace.